Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to SAP Now Virtual Experience. My name is Kuldeep Rana and I am responsible for global tax management in this region. In this session, I am going to discuss how SAP enables cost-effective governance with automated tax functions, audit and compliance. If you have any questions during the session, please share them on below chat. And I'll also include my contact information if you would like to get in touch with me. SAP solution for global tax management supports end-to-end digital tax transformation. Today's main objective is to understand how SAP solution enable cost-effective governance with automated tax functions, audit, and compliance. There is a clear trend of increasing number of digital compliance regulations globally. Companies have to adhere and mandated to share information and returns to different regulatory authorities. NAFTA 10 plus 2 filing, VAT in Middle East, GST, e-invoices are some of the examples of that. Besides ensuring that we make compliance to statutory requirements, indirect tax is third largest component of our working capital. So if managed effectively, would help us to manage our cash flows better, which would lead to better financial performances. Very few organizations globally have visibility into their tax processes, which makes it difficult knowing that more and more countries are going to have centrally administrative indirect tax systems. SAP Global Tax Management Solution helps companies to manage indirect tax inconsistencies, manage it cost effectively, enable CFOs to adopt to rapidly changing regulations around the globe. They do so by digitalization of their tax processes, tax determination, calculation, reporting, and compliance, and by integrating them all with their core business processes. SAP Document Compliance is a global solution to address country-specific requirements, mandating the submission of real-time electronic documents to authorities or business partners like e-invoices. This helps companies to stay compliant globally at an affordable cost. SAP Tax Service is a tax calculation engine which supports tax determination and tax calculation centrally instead of maintaining legal tax updates and calculations within each individual application, and can be integrated with tax partner engines. With complex and continuous changing tax rules globally, it exposes enterprises to risk of non-compliance, inconsistency, and higher cost of maintenance. SAP Tax Service offers an efficient, flexible, and standard approach besides delivering country-specific tax content, which is pre-built and maintained by SAP, covering more than 140 countries globally. SAP's Advanced Tax Compliance Reporting is a next-gen solution with a single framework for all statutory reporting, which manages statutory reporting worldwide, enabling simple adoption of constant legal reforms in your digital business transformation while reducing cost and providing transparency in an efficient way. You can generate legal reports in diverse output formats like XML, PDF, or XBRL, which then can be submitted to government authorities either manually or through electronically using e-filing facilities. Tax compliance help companies to automate and identify wrong tax data and initiate corrective actions with proper documentation to be legally compliant. It enables an automated internal tax control compliance framework which provides reliable insight into your tax compliance status and remediation documentation, besides protecting your enterprise from fines and your personal liability risk for non-compliance. Let's have a look on the tax compliance framework first. Let's have a look how standard VAT process gets complemented with SAP tax compliance framework. Tax regimes are implemented in ERP based on the guidelines given by FTA. Once configured, as soon as a transaction hits our ERP system, VAT amount gets calculated. This VAT amount, along with other transactional attributes, need to be reported to FTA on due date. But before it's reported to FTA, business also need to validate that reported numbers are right, and in case there is any issue in VAT amounts which have been calculated within ERP, that need to be fixed. So they run a lot of validation and need to fix in case a validation fails. But most of the organization currently have these processes offline, which leads reconciliation and compliance issues. Now, how SAP tax compliance supports here? SAP tax compliance provides a complete workflow-driven framework where you can define checks which can be grouped into scenarios. These scenarios can be run on ERP data on real-time basis. As and when a validation fails, it gets reported and a task gets generated along with audit trail. This helps to fix any validation failure within the source system, and then you can report the data to FTA on a due date. This also helps organization to optimize their legal and management reporting besides optimizing their working capital. Let's understand how SAP's tax compliance framework work. Uh, we can have multiple source systems. So some of them can be SAP or only SAP, or some could be non-SAP source systems. In case of SAP source systems, uh, integration is natively built. In case of non-SAP source systems, integration can be built. Once data is pulled in from these source systems into SAP tax compliance, checks would be run, which could be related to master data checks, transaction data checks based on our understanding of our data sets and legal requirements from finance, compliance, audit, or from advisory firms. You could have some checks for transactions from legal authorities like FTA. You can also have some special checks like chain transactions. Once checks are run on this data set, exceptions would be sent as hits. And once those validation fails, these hits would be routed through a workflow based model to multiple people to take action upon. System comes with a capability for end-to-end task management framework, along with integrated dashboards to provide you status around these tasks. So these tasks would be something once you have a check failure, you have to take action upon. These could be simple tasks where you just need to see and check and approve, or there could be some tasks which would need you to go back to the source system and fix within your ERP system. So tax compliance system has a capability to first identify a data transaction which fails and then route it to the right people through a very compliant workflow based framework, and then allow you to go back to the source system and fix the transaction at the source, and then this gets reported back through to the reporting layer. So we don't fix it at different place. We take users from tax compliance back to the source system, which could be ERP, and fix it there. Solution comes embedded with machine learning capabilities. Increased level of automation can be achieved by applying user-defined machine learning models. Depending on data confidence, thresholds can be defined and can help to achieve higher automation. When a business owner logs into SAP's tax compliance framework, he gets out-of-box capability to visualize and understand where he stands in this end-to-end compliance process. When we run compliance checks, it creates validation failures. Depending on your workflow structure, it generates tasks, and these tasks can be monitored from this dashboard, showing clearly the ownership and due dates by which these tasks should be closed. These dashboards for tasks could be drilled back and then can take you back uh, to fix your tasks within the framework or within the source system. There's a strong capability of collaboration to ask for clarification or confirmation within the workflow framework. And also it gives a clear view of scenarios which have been run and who are the task owners, and gives you capability to manage your scenarios and checks. So once this check is run on the system, it will identify the hits. That means the transactions which have failed on these checks. And if you see here, there's a task and then there is a hit. So once there are hits and it says if this check gets failed, what are the tasks which should get automatically created, right? So, and these are assigned to different people which can be monitored with due dates, etc. So there are a lot of other features, like you can delegate this to somebody else if you're not there, but this all gets recorded within the system and compliance and audit becomes easier, and to follow up and see where you are in this process is very easy to do. So it's an example here, like if I log into system and I have two tasks which has come to me, it has a complete workflow. I can reject this, I can complete this, I can forward to somebody else, or I can just open this task and see what this task is. So I can go and there's a task which says you have to reverse a posting because there was a hit which was wrong amount of VAT. So you have to go and probably reverse this posting first, and then later on somebody else or you have to create a new posting depending how you have created the structure and workflow. Once you do that, system will take you into your ERP system. It could be an SAP ERP system and non-SAP ERP system, and help you to fix this. System also has a strong capability of doing predictive models, which can help you to understand your data, which text fields are impacting. So if you see here, there's a graph showing the key influencers of your text data, which you can leverage and use to understand how you can improve your text reporting, and also how checks can be optimized as you move on. We can also create management reporting dashboards and reports to understand tax compliance trends and data better, to build better tax strategies for future. So let's move to the next topic, which is advanced compliance reporting. So advanced compliance reporting is a next generation legal reporting platform which helps us to manage our statutory reporting. Like in UAE, we are doing VAT filing to FTA. It helps organization to be compliant with adoption of legal changes, different legal formats and direct submissions, brings a lot of efficiency in the tax process from recording to report, helps with a lot of flexibility, ensuring fast adoption of constantly changing legal forms, and also brings a lot of transparency in the end-to-end reporting process. Let's have a look how traditionally the reporting happens without advanced compliance reporting. It's mostly a manual process with a lot of customizations and a lot of offline work which happens. But in a scenario where you have advanced compliance reporting by SAP, very structured with a lot of capability and workflow embedded to it. This is a sample scenario for UAE VAT return which we file, and these are maintained and managed by SAP. If there are any changes in the template, which will be taken care by SAP. If there's a need to bring more reports going forward, that will be provided by SAP as we go. Advanced compliance reporting solution is available globally. Below is the sample list of countries. To name few, we are available in Egypt, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates. We cover Americas, APJ, and we also cover most of the countries in EMEA. To summarize end-to-end reporting process, the solution provide capability to monitor legal reporting process, to ensure submission of reports on time to FTA. Users can leverage easy to use query interface to generate legal reports in a specified format. Solution also has capabilities to do a lot of analytics with drill down, which enable users to get insight into reported data. Submissions can be done electronically or manually. So coming to the business value and benefits. Solution brings value both at operational level and strategic level. At strategic level, management gets visibility into tax compliance process, also helps them to optimize working capital. At operational level, it helps to ensure tax submissions on time and in a cost-effective way. It also helps enterprises to avoid risk for non-compliance. Key benefits this solution brings on table is cost optimization by reducing complexity and minimizing the effort to fulfill tax obligations, enables single source of truth not only for VAT but all indirect taxes. It provides transparency and insight both to businesses and to regulatory authorities as and when needed. Flexibility is something which is built in, so it is scalable to meet new regulatory needs. It helps businesses to be compliant locally and globally. Key takeaways I want to leave you with: it helps you to manage your end-to-end reporting processes at a very optimized cost, help you to be legally compliant, and ensure that compliance is embedded in the system.
Thank you for attending this session. Hope it was useful. I will be available in the chat room to continue the conversation there, or you can schedule a call with me anytime. Thank you.